In this video, we're going to walk through problem number 11 on the tax and tipping worksheet. Bicycle Shop is selling $500 bikes at 10% off. The sales tax was added after the discount was applied to the $500. Total cost of the bike, including tax, was $481.50. What was the sales tax rate? All right, we got to deal with this discount first. So it says the sales tax was added after a 10% discount was applied. So we need to apply the discount first, and it's 10% of the 500. That's how much they take off the price. So over here, I've calculated that 10% of 500 is same as 0.10 times 500, which is 50. So that's a $50 discount that they're getting. So if we start with the original 500 and we subtract that, we subtract that $50, we end up, the price of the bike is $450. So that's what we're going to use as the original price, because again it says the sales tax was added after the discount was applied. So this is now our original price. Now it's just like all the rest of the problems. The original price goes here. That's our $450 plus we're trying to find the rate, so that's what the variable is, and it's that times the original price, which again now is $450. And if I add those two together, I get the total cost, which is the $481.50. All right, pretty straightforward here now. Since I've got the letter on the left side of the equal sign, I'm going to leave it there, and then my answer should look like this. So I'm looking for trespassers on the left side, right? I can only have variables on the left side, and here the 450 is a problem. So I'm going to do the opposite. It's a positive 450, so I'm going to subtract it. In order to keep them equal, I have to subtract that 450 from this side as well. Now let's write it again and clean it up. Remember, we said when there's a variable and a number, then the number is going to go first. So this is going to be 450R, is the way I would write it, equals the 481.50 minus the 450. That should give us 3150. Now I don't want 450 times R, I want 1 times R. So I'm going to do anything divided by itself is 1. So I divide that by itself, and to keep them equivalent, I do the other side as well. If I do that division, I end up with R equals 0.07. And they're asking for the percent rate, which means a percent, or the sales tax rate, which means a percentage. So this is the same as 7%, and we're done.